So in this expression, if you take derivative of this expression, you'll get the other one.
Mm.
So let us observe how substitution method works. So instead of this geometric expression, we assume that it is some variable, some, let's say t or u substitution. What happens is du, when you take change in u, is equal to 2x dx. So 2x dx, right? 2x dx is this part. Why don't you just plug in as du? Do you understand? Instead of 2x dx, I'm writing du. Now in the denominator, what is left?
2x. Oh, instead of 2x, you are writing 2x du. Why du?
You are differentiating this. See, let's say this is some variable u, or let's say t.
Mm.
Okay. How much is the value of dt by dx?
Oh, dt by dx. 2x
Dx,
by,
right?
yeah.
So dt is equal to 2x dx.
Mm.
Any doubt so far? So 2x dx, instead of writing 2x dx, try to convert it into new variable now in terms of t. So 2x dx was dt.
Mm.
dt upon, what is the denominator?
2x.
Denominator.
dt by dx means dx, right? Oh, x square plus 1. I thought 30
Hmm?
derivation. X square plus 1.
X square plus 1. But in terms
Mm.
of new variable, its value is
T.
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 So instead of writing this, I have converted this entire x
Mm.
x expressions into simple t expression.
Yeah.
So this is called substitution. So dt by t, what is the answer?
D. Mm.
dt by t or dx by x, 1 by x dx. There is a direct formula,
Or
log of
log
t. But t
1
was
by
what?
x. Log x plus log t plus c.
Yeah, t was what actually originally?
X square plus 1.
So answer is log of x square plus 1, like this.
Okay.
So that's about substitution. So like this, it is important to notice some patterns. Let's say they write x square upon x cube plus 1. What about now?
Do we have to take derivative of x3 plus 1? In integration, why we have to take derivative?
I mean, inside parts are actually interrelated. This term and this term are specifically interrelated. This is a huge expression, right? We don't know any formula, direct formula. We don't have. See, I have given you a bunch of formulas, right? List of
Hmm.
formulas.
Hmm.
This expression doesn't symbolize any of this, which we got.
Hmm.
So we are trying to do something. So one of the method to solve integration is called substitution method, which we are discussing right now. Another one is product method. It's like u into v means v into integral u minus integral of v dash integral u.
Hmm.
So product method, there are certain methods. Product method, substitution method, like that. So if you are
Okay.
choosing substitution method, which is the current topic, how to solve this question?
And can we take derivative of both denominator and
Single variable calculus this is. So derivative of only one expression. So pick carefully is the key.
so x square divided by 3x square?
X square divided by
3x square.
y by 3x square.
We took a derivative, right? Of a
Derivative of
denominator.
what did you take?
X cube plus 3 का
See,
derivative.
we don't put that here. The purpose of doing substitution is first we assume this expression as something.
Oh,
If you take derivative on both sides, d by dx of x cube plus 1, like this. Derivative on both sides. So dt by dx is equal to like
3x
this.
square.
So dt is equal to 3x square into,
First we have to assume, then we have to do derivation of both sides.
say this one.
Hmm.
Dt should be equal to what now?
dt equals to 3x square.
The dt by dx was 3x square.
Hmm.
Dt alone should be equal to
dt alone
say fractions.
2x 2x.
This goes on the other side. Dx goes on the other side. 3x square into dx.
dx.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So now x square into dx, right?
Hmm.
But in this question, in the top, it is only x square into dx. What can you replace that with now?
Hmm.
So convert the new expression. Convert this entire question into new variable which we assumed t.
So how are we gonna convert x square to t?
See, where is x square? Can you spot it? From the calculation we did so far. Here.
X square. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, if you look carefully, it is x square into dx only.
Hmm.
Yes.
So it will be 3 into t.
It's not 3 into dt. It's dt by 3. Dt by 3, okay?
We have to divide them.
Yeah, that's what dt by 3.
Hmm.
So instead of x square dx, the value is actually dt by 3. Divided by what?
3. Oh, divided by dx.
See, dx story is over already. Divided by. This I have written like this.
Mm-hmm.
Now the thing which is left is x cube plus 1.
3x square. 3x square.
See, it's not about 3x square. You have to drop it as it is. X cube plus 1 is what?
X cube plus 1. 3x square.
The 3x square is derivative of x cube plus 1.
Hmm.
X cube plus 1 is
Means
t.
t.
So like this. So 1 by 3 into dt by t. 1 by 3 comes out. dt by t. What is the formula?
Log x plus c.
So it's not log x. I mean, it's about t now, not x.
Log t.
Log t. What was t?
X square plus 1. X cube plus 1.
So 1 by 3 log x cube plus 1 plus c. Like this.
Okay, so first we have to assume. Then we have to.
Yeah, that is why this formulas, recognizing this pattern means x cube, x square, they are like derivatives. Questions can be, I mean, this is the simplest one of them all. Questions can be more complicated when they involve trigonometry, sin x, cos x.
Mhm.
Let's say they give like this. This is the next simple one. Try this.
So dt will be plus sin x.
Plus sin x and dx also. Okay.
Okay.
So sin x dx. So instead of writing sin x dx, can I write just this?
dt, yeah.
So ऊपर वाला is dt
dt.
and denominator, what is this?
1 minus cos x.
Is, think in terms of new variable now. The new player in this question is t.
What?
1 minus cos x is
Sin x. T.
t, right? So it will be
dt by t.
dt by t will be
Log
log
t versus c.
log t plus c. Yeah, t was
1. T was 1 minus cos x.
this is the final answer. Okay.
This is the answer.
Yeah, what happened? I mean, you got this right. Log t plus c, right? So t was what? Actually it was like this. So put it back now. So t is equal to 1 minus cos x.
I noticed in first, second, and third, the denominator is the answer.
Yeah, I mean, I'm giving simple examples, right? So the first main thing to identify is derivatives.
Let me write down the steps.